Hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss third paper of JAIIB, that is AFM. In this we are going to discuss problems and module D. In this module there is a very simple questions. If you know the formula you can apply directly to the question. Okay. If anyone not want the notes of these sessions, then join us on Telegram channel, that is JAIIB Boosters, and also subscribe our YouTube channel JAIIB Boosters. It will boost up our energy to discuss to do these more sessions. Okay, in this we are going to discuss PYV ratio, that is contributions by sales into 100, and also the break even point, that is fixed cost by selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. And also the second formula for break even point is fixed cost by contribution margin per unit. These are the simple formulas. Now we are going to the session which is actually the problems of JAIIB, problems on module D. Okay, let's go to the first slide. What is it? What is the question here? Calculate selling price from the following information. What is the information we have here? Total cost. That is 2,50,000, and also the profit 35% on cost, which is 35% on cost. What is the cost here? 2,50,000, right? So the profit is 35 into 2,500. So everyone just calculate. In examination, you have that calculator on the desktop. But if anyone feels that it is incomfort, then you can take your own calculator and do the problems. What is the 35 into 2500? That is 87,500. So this is the profit. Okay. Next, what is the formula for selling price? That is total cost. What is the total cost? 2,50,000 plus. What is the profit? 87,500. What is the form? What's the answer? 87,500 plus 2,50,000, right? The answer is 3,37,500. This is the answer. The selling price of this question is 3,37,500. Let's move on to the second question. Let's read the question. What is the question? XYZ company uses job order costing system and provides the following data for current period. What is the information we have here? Direct materials issued to production is 2 lakh, and also the indirect materials issued to production is 45,000. Direct labor cost is 2 lakh 24,000. Manufacturing over cost is 2 lakh 56,000. And also what is cost of goods manufactured of XYZ company? We have to calculate here cost of goods. What is the formula for cost of goods? This is the formula for cost of goods. Okay. Direct materials issued to production. What is the direct materials issued to production? That is 2 lakhs. Plus direct labor cost. What is direct labor cost? 2 lakh 24,000. Plus what is the manufacturing overhead cost? That is 2 lakh 56,000. To calculate, it's 4 lakh 24,000 plus 2 lakh 56,000. That is 4 lakh 24,000 plus 2 lakh 56,000. That is 6 lakh 80,000. Cost of goods for this question is 6 lakh 80,000. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What's the question here? Calculate PYV ratio in sales from following information of manufacturing company. What's the information they have given here? Sales, that is 20,000, variable cost, that is 10,000, fixed cost, that is 6,000. If you know the formula, you can apply easily. Okay, what's the formula for PYV ratio? The formula is change in profit by change in sales into 100. But here we have given only sales, variable, fixed cost. So there is one more formula of PYV ratio, that is here equal to, that is contribution by sales into 100. We know that sales is 20,000, but we have to know the contribution. What's the formula for contribution? Sales minus variable cost. What is sales? 20,000 minus variable cost. What is variable cost? 10,000. What is the contribution here? 10,000. So PYV ratio is equals to 10,000 by sales. What is the sales? 20,000 into 100. So 100 by 2. That is 50,000. 50%, sorry. So in this question, PYV ratio is equals to 50%. Okay. Next, move on to the next question. In this question, we have to calculate BEP, that is break-even point in sales from manufacturing information of manufacturing company. Okay, what is the sales is 20,000 and variable cost is 10,000, fixed cost is 6,000. Okay, what is the break-even point here? The formula is for the break-even point is fixed cost by PYV ratio. What is the fixed cost here? 6,000 by what is the PYV ratio we have calculated previously? That is 50%. That is 6,000 into 2. That is 12,000. 12,000 is the BEP, okay, break even point. For this simple question, we are going to calculate. We have done all the calculation of PYV ratio and BEP and also margin of safety. Okay, next. What is the next question? Calculate margin of safety in sales from following information of manufacturing company. We have already calculated PYV ratio, that is 50%. Wait, I will write here. Do not get clumsy. And also the BEP, that is break even point, but is 12,000, right? Okay. Next, what is the formula for margin of safety? The formula is sales minus sales at BEP. We know the sales is 20,000 and now we are going to calculate sales at BEP. That is profit by PYV ratio. Here we know that PYV ratio is 50%. Now we are going to discuss profit. What is the formula for profit? That is sales minus variable cost plus fixed cost. What is sales here? It is 20,000 minus variable is 10,000 plus fixed cost is 6,000. That is 20,000 minus 16,000, that is 4,000. So here the profit is 4,000. So sales at BEP is 4,000 by PBV ratio is 50%. So here sales at BEP is white. It's 8,000, right? 4,000 into 2, it's 8,000. So margin of safety is sales. What is the sales here? 20,000 minus sales at BEP is 8,000. So here the answer is 12,000. So for this, just for this simple question, we have done the calculation of PVV ratio 50%. BEP is 12,000 and the margin of safety is 12,000. So wait. Okay. These are the questions for this simple session of module D of AFM. So if you need this, as you have seen, these questions are very simple. If you know the formula, you can apply directly, right? So everyone just concentrate on formulas, and AFM is not that much tough to clear the subject. So if you need more sessions on these problems, just comment below. We will do more sessions on these type of problems. Until then, thank you. Bye.